Okay, so my computer might melt training a model and having OBS on, but whatever. So longest arithmetic subsequence given an integer a nums length of the longest arithmetic subsequence. You know what is subsequence, and arithmetic is if the values are same. So whole array is arithmetic sequence. The longest arithmetic subsequence is this, right? Okay. Longest arithmetic subsequence is 1. So the differences can be anything from plus 500 to minus 500. And that's pretty easy. So then we do like dp, right? And dpij is longest arithmetic subsequence of first I elements such that the difference is j. Easy business. And now what are transitions? Well, you try all of them. What are transitions? Well, for I we try all smaller j, and then we look at the difference and we update. So let's say the difference is 5, so we check subsequence with whatever difference j, with difference k ending at j and add plus 1 to it, and default value is 1 and whatever. So let's see, we will have like dp, which will be like lambda x no, don't submit. Okay, so this is what I wanted. Ans is this, right? And then dpij max, so k, so diff nums I minus nums j, and then dp diff, no, dpi diff dpi diff, and then okay, so that was pretty easy, but I'm way slow. Interesting. 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 Let's have a dict right now. Get diff1. Get more default, maybe. What's up with that? Here are 3. That's weird. I mean, this should run, I think. So oval dpi get dpi diff is equal to max dpi get diff. Maybe this will be faster, I don't know. That's a little faster. Maybe we can save a dictionary access with this. Let's see. Just a little bit. I mean, it's not the fastest by any means. Any means. I mean, I guess that's probably not optimal. Let's see what they say in the editorial. Dynamic programming algorithm. That's it. Oh, so you just okay. This whole explanation for nothing is crazy. Let's see what Lee says. Lee is usually based, so fair enough. Okay, let's write this out. Model looks like it's never gonna get better, so whatever. Okay, so let's call it dynamic programming. Okay, so let's have a db state I if where I is the first I elements being processed, and where dpi diff is the length of the longest arithmetic subsequence ending at I with difference diff. What are the base cases? Approach. What are the base cases? We remove the dpi diff I1 for all I diff, since each element is part of a single arithmetic sequence, is part of a arithmetic sequence with length 1. Okay, what are the, well, for each I we try all j less than I, and we are given a diff, and we pretend they make a subsequence, arithmetic subsequence, so we know there, so diff is equal to nums j minus nums I, and then dpi diff max dpi diff, and then dpj diff plus 1 get since we just look at the longest subs, we consider all previous positions and do O1 work for all combinations of for all pairs of positions, O(n squared), since there is like 1000 possible differences, which most on squared different diff values. Okay, happy for it to take such a small time, whatever. Okay, goodbye.